I am absolutely thrilled to share with you the incredible reverse engineering services offered by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd in Gurgaon, Delhi NCR. With their expertise in this field, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has become a prominent name in the industry, providing top-notch solutions to their clients. Their dedication and commitment towards delivering exceptional results make them the go-to choice for all your reverse engineering needs. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of reverse engineering in today's ever-evolving technological landscape. With their state-of-the-art facilities and a team of highly skilled professionals, they are able to reverse engineer complex products and systems with ease. Whether it's analyzing the design of a competitor's product or creating a digital model of an existing component, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from their competitors is their attention to detail and commitment to quality. They leave no stone unturned in ensuring that every project is executed flawlessly, meeting the highest standards of precision and accuracy. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd not only excels in providing exceptional reverse engineering services, but also takes pride in their ability to deliver these services within strict timelines. They understand that time is of the essence in today's fast-paced business environment and strive to deliver projects on time, every time. With their efficient processes and streamlined workflows, you can trust Scon Design India Pvt Ltd to meet your deadlines without compromising on quality. With their expertise, commitment to excellence, and personalized solutions, they are the ideal choice for all your reverse engineering needs. Trust Scon Design India Pvt Ltd to deliver exceptional results that will propel your business forward. Are you looking for top-notch reverse engineering services in Gurgaon, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to cater to all your needs. With their expertise in the field of reverse engineering, they have become the go-to company for businesses and individuals alike. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has built a stellar reputation for providing the highest quality services in the industry. They have a team of skilled professionals who are dedicated to providing innovative solutions to their clients. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from its competitors is their commitment to excellence. They understand the importance of accuracy and precision in reverse engineering, and they leave no stone unturned to ensure that their clients receive the best results. Their state-of-the-art technology and advanced software allow them to capture even the most intricate details with utmost precision. Whether it's a small component or a complex machine, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd can reverse engineer it flawlessly. Located in Gurgaon, Delhi NCR, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is conveniently accessible to clients in the region. This means that you can easily avail their services without any hassle. Their team of experts will work closely with you to understand your specific